I just have had such an amazing time here this weekend, and just tell me a little bit about your vision, because I just love hearing that story.
Yeah, this place that we're in feels magical to me still. I moved here right at the beginning of the pandemic. I'd spent a year before that building it, and it all started with this powerful experience I'd had back in 2014 as an international tax lawyer. I suddenly had visions of myself painting after years of denying myself my creativity, thinking that, I was just a tax lawyer. I was completely analytical, that wasn't a gift that had been given to me. I started painting and doing art, and the more I did that and I started to show my work, I would encounter former colleagues, lawyers, executives, people like that, would come and see my work and go like, well, I wish I could do something like that. And they'd start counting off days till retirement. And it was, everything inside me was screaming like, well, this kind of stuff is possible for you. Mm-hmm. Like, there are literally no limits to what we can do. So it's, a lot of stuff comes up for me in a kind of a spiritual, bubbling up vision kind of way. And a lot of long stories about how I met this artist, George Russell, in the last year of his life, and really just started thinking about expansion, about having a place to, he was an art teacher, and we talked about teaching creativity. We talked about just our own transformations we'd had. And I just started to have a real yearning to share this experience, to be able to somehow communicate to people that what I've got is available to people more generally. Not just, everybody can become an artist, but everybody can become who they want to become. And I basically had a vision of creating a space in Prince Edward County, which is where we're at. I had a vision of the exact studio, which we walked into today. It was a design I drew a few years ago. Pretty much exactly what I've created. And for me, it's kind of a symbol when I see my studio of, you can have stuff, just random stuff in your head that couldn't seem less likely, and make it a physical reality in the world. And that's what my studio is a symbol for me. And so now my vision is, now that the pandemic is, I don't want to jinx things and say it's over, but it's becoming more possible to engage with people. I'm really hoping to welcome more people here and create experiences where people will be able to get in touch with their creative soul.
Yeah, and I said, as soon as I walked in, I literally opened the door to your studio and walked in, and I instantly had this visceral experience of, this is such a place of peace and calm and harmony. Mm-hmm. And then seeing your paintings around and talking to you about your experience and talking to you about your process was so meaningful to me, and it was so inspiring. So
I'm really glad, and I'm glad that I've inspired you to embrace your own creativity.
Maybe one day I will have a showing at your studio.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Yeah.
That would be so awesome.
Full circle.
Love that.
Yeah.
It was been great having you here.